The Form 3's touchscreen displays error messages if the printer encounters any abnormalities throughout the print and provides more details about the error. One message you may run into is a mixer check failure. At the start of each print, the LPU housing pulls the tank mixer back and forth across the tank film several times. The magnets inside the LPU housing will move into alignment with the mixer magnets when it is time to move the mixer and move out of the way while the printer is lasing. The mixer movement stirs the resin in the tank while also checking for cured resin on the tank film and on the build platform. If the mixer encounters cured resin blocking its path, its magnets decouple from the magnets in the LPU housing and the printer pauses the print. This is the design behavior of the mixer and is intended to protect the tank film and prevent further print failures. When this happens, use the tank tool to inspect the resin tank film for cured resin or other debris. Check out our video for removing debris from the resin tank to ensure that there are no obstructions present. This is the most common solution to mixer check failures. Do not use the part removal tool, scraper, flush cutters, or any other metal tool to inspect the resin tank or remove cured resin from the tank. Such tools may damage the tank film, leading to failed prints or potentially a resin spill. That said, sometimes the mixer behaves abnormally and will decouple even when cured resin obstructions are not present. This is typically due to an increased amount of friction or resistance preventing the mixer from moving smoothly. If the printer displays a mixer check failure error message, follow these steps and restart your printer after each to test if the error is still occurring. First, try updating the printer's firmware. You can check out our video on updating the firmware on our SLA printers for all of the steps on how to do so. Next, try removing the build platform and inspecting it for cured resin or other debris. If the resin tank is new and unused, carefully pour a small amount of resin from the resin cartridge into the resin tank to coat the flexible film. Then, proceed to the mixer calibration step later in the video. If the tank is used, remove the resin tank and place it in its case. Resin can be considered thixotropic, meaning that it gets thinner or less viscous when agitated. For 30 seconds, agitate the resin inside the tank manually by using the tank tool. Reinsert the resin tank and the build platform. If the error is still occurring, try restarting the printer. Disconnect the printer from power to turn it off. Wait 30 seconds before plugging the printer back in. We can also try calibrating the mixer. On the printer touchscreen, tap Settings, Maintenance, Calibration, Calibrate Tank Mixer Sensor, and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When prompted, remove the mixer from the resin tank before tapping Calibrate. On the following screens, place the mixer back to the tank in the correct orientation with the mixer's arms facing left and the magnets facing down before sliding the mixer all the way to the left until it clicks into place. Then, make sure the mixer has moved to the middle of the tank with no decoupling. Lastly, we recommend trying another tank to see if the behavior persists across more than one tank. If you've tried all of these tricks and you are still getting the error message, reach out to Formlabs support or your authorized reseller to troubleshoot further. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.